You know, suitcase with a jar, you got fine. We call it suitcase. Case. Alright, so the next one we have is very stressing me out.
It's giving me heart attack.
Me nearly pass out and come back alive. Like my heart fail me 2 times, I wake up back. Condensed milk. What is so condensed about the milk? Tin milk. What is so condensed about the milk? You feel like this big old
Bust my chest word like.
So use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation 5 DJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
I give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back with the next YouTube video. So today we
We'll be doing our next
Jamaican video, how Jamaican pronounce words. Alright, so today we got more words than the last video,
because yes, we could put in way for more words.
you understand what I'm saying? Alright, so today we got actually more words. So before we get to this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And the subscribe free, like, you know, if you pay no money, you know, like free things is here. Go and take a spot. Free, you know.
Saying like, imagine if free, just cloops.
And nothing happen. No money. No take out your bank account. Just say cloops and check your bank account. So the first one I have is suitcase. You know, suitcase where you jar in at the airport. We got fine to go up on the plane.
Gangster.
Where you pack your stuff, them in your luggage.
You feeling me?
We say suitcase. A suitcase.
Kids.
The K is kicking right through the word. Case weird. Case what? A case. You feel me? Alright, so the next one we have is fountain. Where water and it fall and everything. We say fountain.
Yes.
Fountain. You feel fountain. Yes, that's the word and nothing wrong with it. Cause we are fountain. Go with 10 for. 10 what?
Gangster.
Alright, so the next one we have is mountain. Climbing up the mountain, we say mountain. I don't know what is but I guess that's a way to pronounce words. She'll climb up a mountain. And you know, so, like, I don't know why people always make Jamaican seem so aggressive. Like, you can't just say fountain and chill. You feel me? But other people, fountain. You feel me? Like, why are you so aggressive? Calm down, gangster. Where did that go? Mountain. Like we say mountain, and if you do not abide by that rule, you're just a hill, gangster. Alright, so right here, so we have a white lady. Me don't know who she is, me don't know where she come from, but she do look like a Karen because I saw they have their low bob cut. So me don't know this miss, me don't know who you is, you don't know who me is.
Feel me? Just like use it for this video, gangster. You feel me?
Alright, so like our owner said, like them white women, they always give people trouble. Karen. Oh my god, that's a Karen. I don't wanna say it. We said Karen. Yeah man, a Karen. You feel me? Like one of the nice stuff. I don't even know how nice stuff to all in the Jamaican nest. Karen. We say Karen. You ren in a car. Karen. You ren. You feel me? I don't know Karen. A Karen, you're rude. You're enough. You shouldn't do it. You feel me? It's not coming out now and it's actually 6:32. Alright, so the next one we have is avocado. Who that big old enlargement conspiracy word.
Avocado. Where are we going with this big and manjatic words?
Avocado, what kind of dough? It's pear, and that is it. No more, nothing add. What is avocado? Where we are going with these big words for just a little around something you eat? Pear. You feel me? Like, when I understand why you're so stressing. It's pear, and that is it. Nothing more, nothing for add pan that. Like, me not understand where we are going with these big words. Like, me look like me a dictionary related. This big old avocado pear. Alright, so the next one I have is pajamas or PJs or whatever you call it. Pajamas, whatever. We call it 90. Regardless what it is, a 90. Go put in a 90 and come. You feel me? It's not no pajamas. What kind of pajamas? A 90. You feel what kind of pajamas? A 90. And it makes sense because it's 90.
90, a night outfit, a night sleepy weepy outfit. You feel me?
Pajamas. P. What's the P? Jamas. It's 90. Where are we going? Who invent these big words? The next one we got is butter. Butter, we use butter your bread. Butter. Like, yeah, this butter tastes very, a butter. It's butter. Like, what? Butter? What is going? Tar what? A tar. You feel me? Butter. Huh? This ta, T-A. ER is not for us. Like, we don't rock with ER. Like, ER is not for Jamaicans. T-A, you feel me? Butter. Like, then call me sister. Like, you know, sister spell S-I-S-T-E-R. Like, then call me sister, S-I-S-T-A. Where are we living? Then take out the ER. A sister, my name. Like, what is, huh? No sister, no, y'all hear me? Y'all listen? Y'all hear me, sir? Like, tell me if I'm tripping right now. You feel me? Like, we don't know. We just don't like ER.
I don't know. I don't remember. I'm not sure, but just the ER is just not ER.
If you're still watching this video right now, congratulations. You deserve. No. Oh, one say, congratulations. Whoop, 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 whoop. Go, my girls.
Go, my girls! Oh my God! Congratulations! I am in my room and I'm making pure noise, girls. You made me so proud. Woo! Congratulations! Whoa!
If you're still watching this video right now, congratulations. You deserve a biscuit. Cause who in them right man sit down and watch my video? Like, if you are watch this video right now, just comment and say me still watch your video, so I just know say you still watch the video. Like, cause how do you imagine to come this far in this video and not tell me? Like, huh? Me know, give me some little update, give me some little notification, tell me see I reach. So the next one we have is me, chocolate. You feel me? Chocolate. I don't know, some people call it different. Like, what is Trini accent, boy? Chocolate. I don't know how to pronounce it. Like,
Remember, I'm not from where you from, you feel me?
but we said chocolate. Yeah, chocolate. That is it. These big old dictionary pronunciations is not for me.
No! Excuse? God forbid the mindset. God forbid the mindset of anybody that create that word chocolates. Chocolate. Excuse? God forbid you and your rubbish stupidness. Excuse?
Alright, so the next one we have is very stressing me out. It's giving me heart attack. Like,
Looking at the picture and how they call that, me nearly pass out and come back alive. Like, my heart feel me 2 times.
wake up back. Condensed milk is big old everlasting chunk-wasting words.
Condensed milk?
Condensed where? What is so condensed about the milk? It's tin milk. Tin milk? What is so condensed about the milk? It's big old bust my chest words. Like, me nearly fall down and pass out and wake up by a couple times. It's tin milk, a milk, tin milk. You take milk in the tin milk. Like, what kind of dense? These big words is too enlargic for me. Alright, so the next one we have is cereal. First of all, as a member of the Jamaican team, everything is cornflakes. And that me remember. Cereal what?
I don't know this.
Who actually look on cornflakes and say, alright, I'm gonna name this cereal. It's one of them are going to milk, no? Cornflakes is everything. Cornflakes mean no it's just cornflakes and you could have been Honey Nut Cherry cornflakes, Captain Crunch cornflakes. You
Feel me? Like, every single thing is cornflakes.
no, me not see what kind of real. What is so see about the real? Is cornflakes and the flakes, because the flake you when you go in at the milk you just flake you and eatable. You feel me? I wouldn't want to get that word out Cinderella, make it so surreal. Like, when you're stressed out. Alright, so this word is very personal to Caribbean people. Like, this word,
Or this thing, if you cannot say right, it cannot enter no Caribbean country.
you cannot enter Trinidad, you cannot enter Bahamas, Barbados, St. Vincent. You can't enter nowhere. Like, word is planting, right? Planting. But we call it planting. Like, me actually I scroll on TikTok the other day and somebody call it
Plantain.
You mean planting?
Plantain.
Planting.
Listen, Shaba. Plantain.
Where you find that? On a mountain?
me I say, whoa, me nearly precious. Me nearly run. Me nearly leave Earth and go Mars and come back. Me have to just sit back, relax and say, it's okay. It's alright. Alright, so the next one we got is fire. Fire and burn up a place. Me not a lighter in here. Fire for that. Name fire. You feel me? Yeah. Y-A-H-I-N. Yeah. You feel me? Fire. Nothing more, nothing else. And what else? Nothing for today. Just fire. What the what? I ask, remember reverse and think and just say fire. Who? So the last one we have is diaper. Diaper we put on the baby back, but we said pampas. It's pampas. Just right, but that diaper. What is so about the purr is pampas. Excuse. And pampas sound more fluffy. You know, pam and the pass. It just sound fluffy and sound like something with somebody that doing it. Where? Okay. Ow! Oh my god. Sure. Alright, so this is the end of the video. If you reach to the end of the video right now, like you deserve a plate of food. Like you deserve some curry chicken and white rice with some beverage at the side and a big piece of pear, not avocado, pear. Like you actually watch this video like gangster. Like you actually watch half the video. That's what I'm saying. Like you actually sit down and hear me talk. That's what you do. Like if you sit down and watch this entire video, like you deserve 2 big run cat bulla with a slice of pear. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Little bit more later, gangster. That was a lame outro. Gosh. Bye.
This is chunLi Part 3 DJ News.